Exercise 12.3. Continue. Question number 3. What time will it be? 4 hours 35 minutes after 8:30 p.m. So after 8:30 p.m. means we will add 4 hours 35 minutes. So what will be the time? So here this, see, 4 hours 35 minutes. It is a 24-hour clock. Okay. In 24-hour clock we will write time in hours. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now 8:30 p.m. This is a 12-hour clock. In 12-hour clock we will write AM and PM. So first we have to convert this 8:30 p.m. into 24-hour clock. So PM means it is a noon time after 12 o'clock. So we have to convert it into 24-hour clock. What we have to do? We have to add 12 to 8. So 12 plus 8 we will get 20. So in 24-hour clock, (8:30 p.m.) equal to what is the time in 24-hour clock? 20:30 hour. So now what we have to do? We have to find out what is the time after 8:30 p.m. if we will add 4 hours 35 minutes. Okay, so we have to add. So here we will write hours and here minutes. So first we will write 20 hours and 30 minutes, and down we will write 4 hours and 35 minutes. Now we have to add. So 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. And this 2 we will carry it down. So 24 hours, 65 minutes. So 65 is greater than 60. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So 24 hours. So we have to make it separate. From 65 we will take out for 60. So 60 minutes plus 5 minutes. Okay, so 60 plus 5 will make 65. So now the 60 minutes we will convert into 1 hour. So 24 hours plus 1 hour. Now remaining this 5 minutes we will write in bracket. Now 24 plus 1 we will get 25 hours and 5 minutes. But in one day how many hours are there? 24 hours. But here we are getting 25 hours. It means after 12 o'clock in midnight. Okay. In 24-hour clock 12 o'clock happen. So that then after what it will come? 12 after 1 o'clock. So it is a midnight 1 o'clock. So in 24-hour clock, in 12-hour clock we will write that is 5 minutes. 1 o'clock 5 minutes means 1:05 a.m. we will write. Means it is a morning time. So we will write 1:05 a.m. So this is our answer. Now question number 4. What time was it? 6 hours 30 minutes before 5:30 p.m. So we have to find out 5:30 p.m. before 6 hours 30 minutes. What was the time? So here also same. So 6 hours 30 minutes. It is a 24-hour clock and 5:30 p.m. is a 12-hour clock. So we have to change this 5:30 p.m. into 24-hour clock. So p.m. means it is an afternoon time. So what we have to do? We have to add 12 to hour. So 12 plus 5 we will get 17. So in 24-hour clock 5:30 p.m. equal to 17:30. So now we have to subtract. So before is there means we have to subtract. So here we will write hours, minutes. So 17 hours 30 minutes minus 6 hours 30 minutes. So now this can be possible. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Now 7 minus 6, 1. And this 1 we will carry down. So what is the time? 11 a.m. Okay, here more than 12 is there. So it is considered as a noon time. Then we will write PM. This is a 11. This is less than 12. So it is a morning time, we will write AM. Now next question. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. So number 1, 00:30 hours equal to dash AM. So same way, this is a 24-hour clock and we have to convert into 12-hour clock. So 00:30 means if the digit is in more than 12 means we will consider it as a noon time. Okay, so if it is in less than 12 means 00 means this is 12:30. So in AM also same will come. So 0:30 AM. Now number 2, 13:15 hours equal to dash PM. So here PM is written means it means a noon time. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to subtract 13 minus 12, we will get 1:15 PM. Now number 3, 23:40 hours dash PM. So this also noon time, PM is written and it also more than, hour is more than 12. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 23 minus 12, we will get 11:40 PM. Now number 3, 30 minutes after 12 noon. Okay, 12 noon after 30 minutes. So what is the time? Noon is there. So 12:30 PM. Now number 5, the number of hours in the month of January. So we have to find out the hours in month of January. So total number of days in January. Total number of days in January. How many days are there? 31 days. So we are knowing 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So we have to find out 31 days. So what we will do? 31 multiply by 24. So we have to multiply. So we will multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Then we will write here 1 0. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So 4 plus 0 4. 2 plus 2 4. 1 plus 6 7. So our answer is 744 hours.